Alright guys, real quick, this is simple. Just click on the facecam border, go down here to position, size, and style. You have your pixels here. What you want to do is take the width minus the height to figure out the difference. 498 minus 289 is 209. So now that I have my difference, I can set it. See, this facecam border for me, it's way too small. I want to make it bigger. So these pixel buttons are kind of finicky, but let's go over here. And then I think I put it at like 650. That might be too big, but I think I did 650. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Now you're going to see what happens is when I make it bigger, I lost it. I lost part of it. So now, oh crap. Are you kidding me? Did it really just... Okay. Anyway, so now, go back here. You want to do 650 minus your 209 that you found earlier. That's 441. Come back over here to your other pixel button. Go up. You can also type it in. I don't know. I'm just lazy right now. And I'm using a separate laptop that I'm recording on. And it's over here to the side. So it's just easier for me to hit the mouse. 441. And that's going to allow me to keep my perfect ratio. And look at that. My facecam border is adjusted. It looks beautiful. So basically that's it. Just find the difference and adjust it accordingly. I just wanted to make this video because I tried to Google it, I tried to YouTube it, could find nothing on it, and it took me, about 30 minutes to actually figure out on my own, so not too bad. But that is how you adjust things, and I think this works for basically anything, like any of these other things you want to click on, you can adjust the size of those too. So, like I said, just want to make this. If you guys have any other obscure questions that you're having problems finding on the internet about StreamElements or OBS, feel free to hit me up. I'll try my best to figure them out. Yeah, sorry about the commentary and everything. I'm nursing a hangover and I just rolled out of bed. But I wanted to make this video because, like I said, I couldn't find anything on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helped. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.